It's Yoyo Addicts. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of string tension. Wind your string up easy, and yeah, so first, how to wind your string up easy. You just got it. What you want to do is you simply want to take the yo-yo, put it over here, cleaner than the side of the string, lift this string up, and just pull this up and lower that. And you can see it wraps around the axle, and you just gotta do the rest manually. That's the easiest way to wind your string up. And second thing is string tension. You see how it's winding up like this? That is called string tension. So it's winding this way. So you want to spin it the opposite way. Got some of it out. There you go, no string tension. That's how you wind your string up and get rid of string tension. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.